I've created the largest pizza in the world. A true culinary masterpiece that impresses not only with its size, but also with the extraordinary effort and ingenuity that went into its creation. This gigantic pizza has a diameter of 1,500 meters, covering an area equivalent to 20 football fields. The first interesting fact is the enormous quantity of ingredients used. To create the world's largest pizza, we needed 8,000 kilograms of flour, 4,000 kilograms of cheese, 3,000 kilograms of tomato sauce, and 2,000 kilograms of various toppings. Next, the dough preparation was a true engineering feat. Mixing and kneading such a large amount of dough required a custom-built industrial mixer, the size of a small house. The mixer was specially designed to handle 8,000 kilograms of flour and other ingredients needed to create the base of the pizza. This ensured that the dough was perfectly mixed and had the right consistency to support the toppings. After the dough was prepared, it was time to roll it out. This task required the use of specialized machinery, typically used in road construction, to evenly roll out the dough across the 1,500-meter diameter area. This machinery ensured the dough had a uniform thickness, which is essential for baking a pizza of this size. Baking the world's largest pizza presented another unique challenge. We built a custom mobile pizza oven over 1,500 meters long. This oven could reach temperatures of up to 450 degrees Celsius and had a moving conveyor belt system to ensure that every part of the pizza was evenly cooked. Overall, the finished pizza weighs approximately 17,000 kilograms, considering all the ingredients used in its creation. Due to its enormous size and incredible amount of ingredients, this gigantic pizza can feed about 68,000 people, assuming each serving weighs around 250 grams. This is an incredible achievement, not only in culinary arts, but also in collaboration and engineering, demonstrating that there are no limits to true passion. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because it's the best support for us and a motivation to continue creating new episodes.